Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a face cartoon trend on a TikTok. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps. In here, I wanna make a face cartoon on a CapCut apps. It's so simple. The first, you can click a new project and add the photo that you want. Maybe this one, and click on add at the bottom. And after this, you can split this photo maybe with three photo like this. Okay, this is the 1, 2, and 3. And after this, you can click on the clip one. Click on the style, and after this, you can click on a manga effect. Click on it, and please waiting. And now after this, you can click on the check icon at the bottom. And now you can click on the second clip. Click on it, and after this, you can click on the style again. And after this, you can click on the angel me. Click on it. Okay, and now you can click check icon at the bottom again. And now you can click on the third clip. Click on it, and now you can click on the style again. And now you can click on the evil me, this one. Click on it. And now you can click check icon at the bottom. And finish. So that's how to make a face cartoon trend on a TikTok. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.